Here we are, looking at the moon. Here we are, looking at Stella Bear. Hi! You want to see yourself? There you are, Stella. We're at the Holiday Inn Express the day before my birthday. Yeah. We've had a nice day. We've hung out. Oh, no, don't look at yourself. It's a little cool, so we've got ourselves dressed appropriately. Oh, Stella Bear. Stella Bear is out with me. She's a silly girl. She's 20, almost 21 months old. Wow, some nice faces you can make. Huh? And we're waiting. Do I hear more birds? We're waiting to see if we can see more birds. I think that we're in a migratory path. I've never seen so many Canada geese fly over us. There's some now, but you can barely see them or hear them. Stella, are you hungry? Is that why you're chewing on the end cap?
I didn't.
Stella's been saying lots of things. She's been saying things like, I want. And she's been saying things like, I love you. I love you. She's been saying things like, Grandma. Mima.
Oh, Mima.
She's been saying things like,
Oh, Mima.
Yeah, oh, Mima. She's been saying things like moon.
Moon.
Yeah, moon.
No.
And she's been saying things like, bye-bye, birds. Okay, we'll turn it back on when we have more birds around, okay?